Hi, this is Troy Stavros with Doorbell Real Estate, and today is the day for our market update. So we are looking at all of the April numbers. All of the data has come in through April, and we're going to take a look and see how we compared to 1 year ago. So April 2021 versus April 2022. We're going to start by looking at the counties around East Tennessee and how they fared as far as comparing the inventory and the home sales, things like that. Then we're going to dig into a couple specific areas like Knoxville, Tennessee, Farragut, Tennessee, some areas just around town. So let's jump into the data as far as the counties and see what that looks like. Okay, so here we go, comparing April 2022 to April 2021 by county, and we're looking at single-family home sales. Let's start at the top left corner at Roane County. Available homes for sale down 7.7%. Pending home sales are down 9.6%. And median sales price up 33.72% compared to 1 year ago in April. That's a pretty big number. Let's look at Knox County. So available homes down 12.3% in Knox County. Pending home sales down 9.5%. And median sales price up 25.13%. Anderson County, available homes are down 3.4%. Pending home sales down 2.1%. And the median sales price is up 16.82%. Loudon County, available homes are up 15.1%. So inventory is up compared to 1 year ago in Loudon County. Pending home sales are also up 14%, and median sales price is up 7.68%. So that right there is a perfect example of what inventory can do for pending home sales and sales price. As we looked at Roane and Knox County, where available inventory was down, we also saw that pending sales were down because there was less homes available for sale. And then we also saw that the median sales price was up quite a bit. So when there's less inventory, that means that there's more demand and less supply, which pushes the prices up. But when we look at Loudon County, we see available inventory is up. That means pending sales are also up, but it also means the increase in the sales price is going to be less dramatic. So it's going to be more moderate, which we can see at only 7.68%. Over in Sevier County, available inventory is up 20.5%. Pending home sales are up 15.7%. And median sales price up 45.22%. If you've been watching these updates over the last few months, you know that this is pretty normal for Sevier County. It has been going crazy as far as the value appreciation there, because we're seeing lots of investors come in. The Great Smoky Mountain National Park is the #1 visited national park in the country. Not to mention attractions like Pigeon Forge and Gatlinburg, just bringing lots of folks in to the area. So investors see that, they're spending money, they're coming in, and they are buying up lots of properties for investment. And that is why we are seeing prices rise, and also why we're seeing available inventory and pending sales rise. We're seeing more inventory because the people in the area are like, well, let's take advantage of this. These investors are coming in, they're paying us top dollar, so they're putting their homes on the market, and therefore we're seeing more pending home sales as well. In Blount County, we are up 1.1% as far as available homes, so pretty much the same as we were last year, and down 1.3% as far as pending home sales. Pretty steady there, yet we're still seeing an 18.9% increase in the median sales price in Blount County. Let's take a look at Knoxville, or actually let's take a look at East Tennessee as a whole with the numbers. So compared to last year, home sales in all of the East Tennessee area that we cover down 0.9%. So pretty much the same as last year. But median sales price is up 24%, and the median sales price is coming in at $310,000. When I compare that to last month, that number has definitely gone up. Last month, we saw the median sales price was up 21.97% compared to a year earlier. And the median sales price last month for all of East Tennessee was $301,880. So now we're at $310. We're seeing prices continuing to jump up at a pretty significant rate every month. When we look at inventory of homes, up 1.8%. So that's good news, especially for buyers. We need to see more inventory come on the market. So that's what we're seeing here, a slight uptick in inventory compared to 1 year ago, up 1.8%. And the absorption rate, which tells us how many months of inventory there is available for sale. In a healthy market, it's 6 months worth of inventory, but we're only looking at 1.06 months worth. But the good news is we're up slightly from last month. So there's a little bit more inventory on the market this month than there was last month in all of East Tennessee. Good news for buyers. Let's take a look at Knoxville. Home sales are down 12.2% compared to last year. The median sales price in Knoxville, and when I say Knoxville, I mean anything that has a Knoxville, Tennessee address. So whatever the address, Knoxville, Tennessee, then zip code. As long as it says Knoxville, Tennessee, that's what we're talking about here. Median sales price up 24.98%, and the median sales price is coming in at $328,690. When I compare that to last month we saw the median sales price was up 23.85% and was coming in at $322,000. So we are up almost $7,000 compared to last month in the median sales price. So once again, seeing those prices continue to rise. Inventory of homes overall in the Knoxville, Tennessee market is down 13.3% compared to last year, but a little bit of glimmer of hope is the absorption rate is up slightly. So we are at 0.58 months worth of inventory versus 0.49. So a little bit more inventory on the market this month compared to last month. Let's take a look at Farragut. Home sales in Farragut are down 14.2%. Median sales price is up compared to a year ago, 14.82%, and is coming in at $585,600. Inventory of homes is down 16%, and again, a slight uptick in inventory compared to last month, 0.57 versus 0.53, so a little bit more inventory on the market than last month. Speaking of Farragut, I'll tell you a little story about something that happened on listing that we had that went to market just a couple weeks ago. In Farragut, we had an open house, and we had 157 people come through our open house here in Farragut. And this was a home that was priced at $675,000. So quite a bit of interest. There are lots of buyers in every category. Every price range has lots of buyers right now. Maybe less in the upper bracket, but I mean, $675 is pretty expensive. And 157 people came through that open house, and that house got 24 offers on it. So we're seeing that in that price range. We're definitely still seeing that in prices below that. So still a tough market for buyers, but there is a glimmer of hope that we could see on that data that we just saw. A little bit more inventory is coming on the market, and we're hoping to see more of that. Whether that will happen, we don't know. With interest rates rising, some people are deciding to hang on to their homes because they have those low interest rates locked in. So to trade a low interest rate for one that is coming up on 6%, there isn't a lot of motivation, but there are people that still need to move, and that is happening. So make sure you're getting with us so we can get you into houses quickly and get the right offers in and get you under contract. For sellers, still an amazing time to sell. You can get more for your house than you've ever been able to get in a long, probably ever, really. So reach out to us. If you're a buyer or seller, we are here to help and serve you in any way. My team and I just want to do whatever we can to serve you. If it's answering questions or helping you find properties or helping you sell your property, we're here. We hope you're having a great day. This is Troy Stavros with Doorbell Real Estate, and I look forward to talking to you soon.